everybody, DeathsStalker here. Out here riding on a autumn day when I can't make up its mind if it's going to be sunny and warm or cold and cloudy. But I'm out here riding for the few weeks to a month or so I get before we have frozen ground and possibly white stuff on the asphalt. And I thought I'd talk about what my plans are over the winter. And I'm going to be doing some upgrades to my old RC again. Been saving up my money thanks to not being able to spend very much due to COVID land. If you know, I did nice bug hit. And if you know, I did a Brembo brake upgrade on my bike and absolutely love it. And I decided I actually want to do the rear brake as well. So I've actually bought a Brembo rear brake for my bike along with a racing caliper mount, so it'll actually be more like my old 250s. Well, that was a McLaren. Huh. Couldn't quite figure that out. So I've already ordered that stuff and got some of the parts, and I've also ordered a shifter shaft bearing that's sold by a company called, I think it's called Race Torque. Something to help eliminate the problem you get with the occasional misshift in RC51s. And there's a few other things I'm going to be trying to get as well. I did order a repair delete kit for my bike. Whether or not I get to install it, I haven't received it yet, so we'll see. I know last year I was planning on replacing my radiator hoses, and I ran out of time before the season started, and so I'm going to be doing that this winter for certain. And probably a few other things. But again, it's all sort of depending on the budget. You know, overall the bike's nice, I love it, but unfortunately the racer in me, I keep looking at this and go like, oh, I wish it was more like this or that. So that's why I end up making some upgrades and improvements. So that's my plan for the winter. So if you have any questions or any suggestions for other upgrades that I can do, and don't mention carbon fiber wheels, as much as I'd love to have them, I can't afford them. Let me know. Put something in the comments and I'll get back to you. Anyways, heading back just in case it decides to rain. DeathsStalker signing off.